Hey folks, in the last video we did constructive interference when they added together. This time we're going to do destructive interference. So I'm going to change this to a fixed end. And I'm going to put this back to the 1 centimeter that we had there. And why am I doing that? Well, let's take a look at what happens first. When I send the wave down, and here it goes, here's the wave going down. Now remember, when it was a loose end, it came back and reflected the same exact way. But this is now a fixed end. So it's going to reflect back and it's going to invert. What that's going to enable me to do is, while this inverted wave comes from the right to the left, I'm going to send another wave from left to right at the same exact amplitude. And let's see what might happen. So I restart it. Here is my wave. It's heading down. And now we can see here it is coming back. I'm going to send another wave going up. Okay, now that means on the left, I have a 1 centimeter going up, and on the right-hand side, a 1 centimeter going down. What do you think is going to happen when we add them together? Well, take a look at this. It's a little bit tricky to see, but you'll be able to get it. Look at those dots right there in the middle. And notice that they're right on that middle line. As they pass each other, those particular dots which are there, you notice they're not really moving at all because they're adding together positive and negative to have 0. And in fact, when they pass each other completely, boom, there is no wave in that instant as they pass. That is called destructive interference. In fact, this is total destructive interference. So yes, the wave disappears. And by the way, as weird as this might sound, you can find this total destructive interference with sound waves, water waves, even light waves. Yes, you can get 2 light waves that pass each other and it will form darkness. And then we can see as they pass each other. Now, what would happen if, in this particular case, once again, I'm going to send a 1 centimeter wave going down. He's going to invert, come back. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a half coming back. So here comes this guy, half coming back. Now let's think about this for a second. We have 0.5 on the left, -1 on the right. What do you think is going to happen when they pass? Well, as we take a look at this, we are going to notice that as they go and they pass each other, bam, they do not totally destructively interfere. We are left with the remnant of the wave, which is that 0.5, which is the difference. So a -0.5 in this case, because there's a 0.5 positive, and a -0.5 coming in the opposite. So you had a positive 0.5 from the left, -1 from the right, and boom, that's what you get.